back to my channel, Dolls and Science, and today I'm showing you all my fidgets. I have the hiccup, just so you know. Okay, first, my slimes. Bus drivers. I got these actually from my bus driver at summer break. This was really weird though.
What's really weird?
And then I have all, that I got these slimes from my bus driver.
That's nice.
And then another slime, more slime, 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 slime. So that's all my slime. This is the first one we're starting with buckets. Of all buckets. But yeah. Sorry if that's too loud. Okay, I moved it. Next, I have some fidgets in here. I have this thing that you put on your head at night, and then you just like rub it. Or I just use it not at night. I just put it like squish it and move it the Orbeez different places. It's really fun to do. So I'm gonna be rating all my fidgets. Oh gosh, I keep getting hiccups. From a scale to 1 to 10. This, I like a 5. Connect sand, I'm not playing with that. That's included like slime or something. Then we have this bunny squishy that lights up. I like it. I don't love it. And I have a fidget cube that I don't really like because it has steelers on it. Some random kid gave it to me at the bus for something. I don't know what it was. Then we have a snapper. And then we have a slinky, mini slinky. And then I have 2 slow rising squishies. This one's more slow rising, but yeah. Then I have a, I don't know what's inside, but I'll call it a water timer because it's something timer because I don't know what's inside there. It's really weird. And then last but not least in this bucket, Rubik's Cube. I cannot solve this. This looks so hard. Next, that's the empty bucket. Next is monkey noodles. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 monkey noodles. Oh my goodness, 9. And I love them because look, one color, another color, and then this color, and then this color. All different colors. Watch if I stretch them together. It's so pretty.
Someone's at the door.
Oh, she's so cute.
Tinkerbell.
And then I have mini monkey noodles.
Mm.
So yeah. We're done with that bin. Next is this giant unicorn squishy I have, and then
What's inside that?
And then Moj Mojos. I have a moon, I have a rose, I have a bumblebee, I have a dog or a kitty paw, I don't know what that is. A strawberry, and a little cat, and the nose is right here. And if you take away the nose,
we can
it looks.
See you.
And if you take away the nose on the cat emoji, it looks like a frog face.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah. Next is this humongous bumblebee squishy. It makes a satisfying noise when you squish it. And it has such a cute little face.
Mm-hmm. So cute.
And I love it. I love it, but it sometimes hurts my hands when I squish it too hard. Because it is hard to squish, so yeah. Then I have these mermaid squishies. I haven't took off the tags yet, but they're still on there. Only on this one, but it's still on this one. But so it's like one of these, but it has a mermaid over it. And then
Those at Mark's, they were cheap.
yeah, they were found at Mark's, and this bumblebee squishy was found at Mark's too. Okay, and then we have this water one with orbs.
Slow it down. Let me see what's in here.
Orbeez, water, and glitter.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Next, these kind of squishies. So I have one that doesn't have the wrap on it, and it's so more satisfying.
Much more.
It's like you can like squeeze it and it'll stay in its shape. Because these are like glue, glitter, and Orbeez. Glue, glitter, and Orbeez, not slime, glitter, and Orbeez. And I love this purple one without the net. I just love it so much. Next is a snake. I have a snake, and then I have wacky tracks. And if you don't know what wacky track does, you just move it around and it snaps. And then that's the same thing as a snake. You move it around and it snaps. So, yeah, that's what we're done with that. That was quick. Next is random things. I have a puzzle ball that I already solved. I have 2 fidget cubes. A blue one and a galaxy one. And this is a marble you can roll around and press. These are things that you can go up and down. Buttons that you push. This is something that you move back and forth. This you can put down and do that, and you can move it. And then this you can click like a button. So yeah, that's what fidget cubes are. And then pop tube. I only have one because I use all of my pop tubes. And I have mini ones. And mine broke. Half of mine broke. So, see, it broke. So I just still use it. I just want to throw it away because it's not as good. But yeah. Then I have 2 marble mesh. I don't have a lot of marble mesh. They're really fun to play with. And then if you didn't know, you could go like this. And that's really satisfying when you let go on your thumbs and stuff. Next is an infinity cube. Infinity cube. And you just move them around. They can go any sorts of way. So yeah, and they snap together, so that's really satisfying. Next is I have 2 spiky balls. I like to rub them on my thing like this, and then I like to squeeze them. And it just feels good, like really good. And 2 pea pods. One that is broken, I just like to squish like this, and it feels good. Then one that's real, and the face is coming off, but yeah. And they still use it. And the side ones are really hard to pop, just so you know. If you ever want a pea popper, just pop the middle. Then we have a bike chain. Or a flippy chain. It can be either one. And then I have one of these. I forget what they're called. They have a really long name. I only have one though, and it's silver.
Where'd they all go? These are my favorite.
I know. I'm like, where did they go? Next is this thing. This is a really boring fidget super, super boring. You just like, move it around and something, and I don't like it at all. Next is popping things. I'm sure you're really excited for this. Okay. First, I have one that you pop. I never heard of these, but it's just one that you one nipple. It's not like triple double or single double. And then I have a mini pop. I'll get all my poppets. I only have 4 because I have a mini pop and I'm counting them. Okay, I have this Among Us one. It's good on both sides, of course, because I love it. Ready? That is Among Us. And now the unicorn. The unicorn is really fun to pop. Okay, then the other one, the other side.
It's like louder on that side.
Yeah.
Cool.
Now the heart. And it has the ABC letters on it. Not most have letters, but yeah. I'm happy I got one with letters because I never knew I was going to get one with letters. Other side. So yeah, now my favorite poppet. It's good on both sides. Mini one.
On your book bag, carry it around.
Yep. And it has a keychain. So that's what my mom said, on your book bag or carry it around anywhere. And if you have a keychain on your phone case, you can put it on there. That'll be cool. Okay, next is a fidget spinner triple dipple.
Pops good.